I've had the pleasure of working with these two for quite a while at our last company. We've argued with each other enough that we know how to get along.
Yeah, I guess we're not delicate people.
Dave one time told me to f off.
Was it just one time?
Yeah, so we all worked together at ABL Space Systems. We ran the software team together over there.
Yeah.
Built all the internal software that built the rocket, tested the rocket, launched the rocket. Yeah, we decided we wanted to start something together and make it easier for manufacturers to avoid the problems that we saw in the past.
And that you had in the past, in your previous life.
Previous life, yeah, as well, over at SpaceX, all the chaos that needed to be controlled with good software. In a manufacturing company, especially regulated manufacturing companies, there's a lot of what I call controlled chaos. Lots of busy work, lots of people that spent many years going and studying engineering, not doing engineering every day. There just tends to be a lot of process and documentation that we tackle.
Or wherever there is any kind of scale, really, because whenever you get into serial production and not prototyping, there is no way of doing that without like a certain amount of like rigor and documentation. That's where Magenta can really help. I think one of the things that we believe is that you cannot be everything to everyone. You have to be something to somebody, and we are the software stack for manufacturing. So wherever there is manufacturing, Magenta can help you.
Getting engineers back to like the engineering work they're initially excited by. We spent a lot of time at companies seeing that, you know, a huge portion of time that engineers spend is in copying stuff in between Excel documents and doing a lot of work that no one really wants to be doing. We definitely want to automate that for them so that they can spend their time doing work that, actually matters to them.
We're coming up with all of these incredible new capabilities, technologies, etc. Like, what is even going to be possible? Yes, there's like all of this drudgery that we're like now liberating engineers and people in manufacturing from, but we're also going to be able to allow them to do things that they were never able to do before. So I'm excited for like, what are you actually going to be able to build when a small company can operate like SpaceX?
The main problem is that it's unnecessarily difficult to build things. There's lots of paperwork, there's just lots of gates that you have to pass, there's lots of review workflows, and all that stuff just seems to stifle the ability for companies to actually build great things. We're just trying to fix that.